You can see a nice piece of wood here, and it's in some broken lines inside, so which is presented from the before, from the first position. Let's modify the things and symbols in the broken lines and make it a nice drawing. Okay, so if you just imagine like that, this is a very taller hills, and you have some drawings of the hills, so that's why according to these lines you can put some contours. Okay, so run some colors, color combinations. All right, so these are the hills. Thus you can see the graphical presentations of the contours, and the whole canvas is getting a very nice scenery. Okay, sometimes you can add a little bit water to make the visual effect more realistic. So all these contours getting very nice. Okay, so these are the ups and downs of the hills and the terrain. You can see the hilly terrain. Okay, all right. Okay, so doing some details at the bottom. So it's all about the colors and the pixelizations of the drawing canvases. So I'm putting the brush strokes, just making a nice shades all over it. Okay, little bit here. Okay, so that's a lots of contours you can see. All right, and you can put some tree lines on the top just to make it a real life scenery. Okay, so pointy tree, just like the pine tree in the novel sometimes you read. So usually this type of tree is seen in Russian northern territories or Canadian borders, or the Alaska of United States of America. Okay, you can see the trees here on the top of the mountains. Those are the details I'm going to draw now. So for each slopes you can see I'm putting few trees just to show the slopes in a real life model. Putting the green color for the trees here. Okay, and few trees just putting up here. So this is how you can see the hilly landscape, and the mountains is becoming very nicely visible, and few dots for each slope to show the other tree lines, not prominent but like a graphical presentations. Okay, and the whole drawing is becoming very nice. I hope you like the video. It's a very simple and easy drawing, few steps, just to follow the steps, and the drawing is going to be a realistic one. Okay, so you have seen all the procedures. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a good day.